All right, here's a moment of truth. Here I am at my parts washer. And I have one of these. This is a kind of a siphon. It's battery powered. It takes 2 D batteries. It's really difficult to find D batteries. Okay, so my idea is that I'm going to get as much water as I can out, which should be everything, and then from the bottom get the clay out and then put the water back in. So I'm just going to be using the same water. Now, I'm not the best at these kinds of things, but my guess is that I'm going to put this into the water here, and I'm going to turn this on, and it's going to shoot the water into this bucket. Let's see. Hey! That's exactly what we want. So by siphoning it, then I can kind of preserve this layer of clay at the bottom. Let me just show you what that looks like here. I'm going to pause here and show you what it's looking like. So it's very separated, and I can easily take the water off the top. So I'll give you this view here. There we go. Put it back on. This is just an on-off switch. I'm keeping this under the level of the water. Just kind of staying tuned into both of these. This double process of the water emptying out of one, and where's the pump or the siphon, and then the water going into the bucket above, and when is that going to be full, which is like basically now. Water looks pretty yellow coming out. Okay, so I'm going to put this in there and see if I can move the camera a little bit. I'm not quite sure what your angle is here. Trying to get everything in there. This is actually going remarkably well compared to what I imagined. Oh, I got down there into the clay, and it did pump the clay through, so that's good to know, is that this can handle the clay. Just a little bit came through. And I guess it's really sucking out the very bottom. There's some holes in it, so I thought maybe it was sucking out the top, but no. Because now it's not even submerged really the whole way, the bottom part, and it's doing okay. I'm thinking that I could also start over with totally clean water and use this water to water my plants or something. We are about to pause and find another clean bucket because it's pretty full. Okay. All right. Keep going. Whoops. Got a little bit yellow. I'm going to go over to this bald spot that I created before when I went all the way down to the bottom of the sink. So empty spot. Move this one over so I can do a kind of a bartender's switch. Getting a little cloudy. I'm kind of clean these things as I do this. A little bit. Okay, we are, whoa, hey, wow. I don't know what happens if the pump is not in the water. I don't want to find out unless it's good. Okay, so, more buckets. All right, so here's the current situation. Took quite a bit of water out, and now it's time for me to get underneath and hopefully be able to capture this Okay, here she blows. There it goes. Okay. Tool and manually, maybe the tool is my hand, get the clay to go out that hole. Okay, I think we're good. This might be good. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we got lots of room. Okay, we go get a tool, brush. Okay. Here we go. There we go. That's one. Oopsie, almost made it. Next time, 5-gallon bucket. Oh, keep that little bit of sediment out. And here we go. Here. I don't know why it wouldn't go on though. Okay. Oh, one more thing.